Alright, what's up, guys? I'm gonna be doing a live recording of me trading today for the New York AM session. It is currently Thursday, March 5th, so hope you guys enjoy. I'll kind of break down my process on what goes on when I'm taking these kind of trades. So, obviously, I have previous week value area highs and previous week POC and VALs. Right now, I am going to currently mark the 6 p.m. open as well as midnight open before 9:30 opens here. So there we have it. Midnight open is right there. And let's see, we have midnight open here as well. I want to see if there's a manipulation for us to put a standard deviation in. So we get our manipulation right here. So here is our, here's our manipulation right here, our standard deviation, I mean, for the day. Let's take it here and say, okay, let's take the distribution like as well. Wow, why is that keep, okay. Okay, perfect. Now let's take a look at the, let's get out of paper real quick. Quickly. Here we go. Huge push up. So clearly you can see right here we have an SMT with ES and NQ. We're now just seeing if this SMT will hold, and if so, then we will flip our buys into bearish and aim for those lower draws. Seems like price is still pushing. Pushing is about to have the previous week value area high. And stab short on these previous week value high. Just right at the top here. Oops, that's the wrong one. I don't think that's at the high. Perfect. Alright, so we got stopped. Inverse the 1 minute. So now we see some rejections. It's about to flip the CVD. As you can see here, it's green candle. We have a bearish candle right now. All right, we got swept out. All right. Well, seems like we just got swept out. Alright, so we got swept out, but happens. Huge reject candle on the 5 minute, power 3. That was an unlucky stop right here. Would have hit full TP. ES has a 1 minute bearish FVG that it reacts off of right now. Doing a super tight stop once this candle makes the high. If it taps above. There we go. Moving my stop down to the high of the candle. And targeting this 1 minute for value gap, the first presented for value gap. Could even move it to break even after. It did sweep. Perfect hours. And then move to stop to break even and just see how price plays out. ES did already tap the 1 minute presented, which is why NQ is failing to go lower. Let's see if we get a little push. There we go. See here, this is trail stop a bit higher just because ES is already tapping it. Okay, so we got stopped in profit. ES tapped already, so makes sense. All right. Once it takes this high, we can move to break even again. There we go. And we get this huge push up. Tap the value area high, so we're gonna see how price reacts to that. And this will probably be my last trade of the day, just because I've already taken 1, 2, 3 trades, so this will probably be my last trade. Tap in previous day POC. You want to see it to go way above, just because. Value area highs shifting upwards, which means volume is shifting more to the upside. It'd be a lot better if this candle would close above this wick here. So I have lots of buyer volume. Alright, we do have a mini SMT right here that I need to see NQ break. Alright, we have this mini SMT. Let's see if it'll break through. Perfect. Now we just wait for it to smash TP. Seems like it reacts off this reject block right here. If I draw it out, yeah, it taps perfectly into the 50%. Obviously it's going to reject a little, but we're hoping to see this reject block get ran through. It's still only 9:56. 10 a.m. is about to open. If we're bearish on the day and 10 a.m. opens, we're going to see a manipulation up before putting in the low of day. So we're about to see ES and NQ as another SMT that I want to see broken. There we go. I'm about to move my stop up to this wick right here. And wow, full TP hit just like that. And you can see we are now up 820 on the day. And yeah, I hope you guys see my thought process. This was pretty much just off of a 1 minute off the previous week value area high, turning into support, targeting the high of the accumulation phase. Super clean trade. Price is going to rally even higher now. But I'm satisfied with my trade, and it's now time to hop off.